we judges talk say they enjoy the first one, but may they never judge because they never taste the second one. Now guy, yes, we give him chance, make you express himself. But the lady too just stay calm because she believe in what she do. Because they say what a man can do, woman fit do one better. But this one, it turned the other way around. We won't prove ourselves on top of chop chop. Make we see whether she self no carry last for the matter. My sister, carry the food go, make we see whether the judges go testify, say you prove yourself. Explain what's happen for here.
Well, they're very simple. Now local porridge I cook. Okay. Mixed with vegetable. Okay. Called ugu in our native language. Okay. Oyibo man they call them pumpkin leaf. Okay. But we call them ugu because now the name will take no am. Okay. I use plantain with sauce. That's tomato and pepper. Okay. I can garnish them with crayfish. Okay. Spice, salt to taste. And I can't put my dry fish because for this kind of thing, if you dey cook them, you must add dry fish inside. Okay. To make them come out very good. And the vegetable, I not put them when I dey cook the food because if I put them, the vitamins it go come out finish. Okay. I just leave and when I cook finish, I just put them, make the thing done together. All right, my judges. How na see? I see so your face. You don't they move to the permanent site. I tell you get waiting food they do person for body.
True. The ugu fresh well. Okay. And the taste come out well.
You agree? Say yes. Now so it's supposed to be.
I think everything marry well.
They marry themselves.
Yes. Because the spices no overpower anyone.
Each other. Okay.
And go hard though.
Go really hard.
All right, I say go hard for them to judge, for them to know who be the winner. But once I make you know, for on top chop, everybody now winner. It just be say somebody got to push past the other person. If you say things say you feel join us on top of this show, what we they call chop chop, what we they talk about everything Nigerian food and even the one from Obodo we country. Why not? If not, make you join us on top of our website. Go on top of our Facebook, www.facebook.com/WazobiaTV.tv, or you want to follow us on top Twitter. Why not make yourself follow us for there at WazobiaTV.tv. My name still remain Quimby. We they come back with the judges. Moku know who be the winner on top of this one. But for now, Moku grab small break because when we come back, our judges go down drink water. They go down agree to settle for who be the winner. We they come back.